everyone, today we're going to be creating a look perfect for attending a wedding. It's going to be a girly subtle look with a little bit of additional twist. So I'm starting by skin prep. As you can see, my model has a little bit of chapped lips and she has some breakouts. So we're going to be working on that by hydrating the lips and hydrating the skin. Also working on the skin texture by using a primer that is going to even out the skin. Now using a dark brown cream corrector, I'm just going into the areas that tend to look a little bit gray after makeup and then going in with a generous layer of liquid foundation. This liquid foundation is buildable, hence you need to apply a little bit more, but it also gives a very dewy and smooth effect to the skin. And then using a bronzer or a contour, you can just highlight the depth of the face under the jaw, on the nose, cheekbones, and under the lip as well. This will help accentuate the features and really bring out the best of your client or model's face. Then I'm using a beauty blender to dab in some highlighting concealer. I'm calling it highlighting concealer because I'm using a slightly brighter shade to highlight the points that are next to the contour. And then using a fluffy brush, I'm adding some cream contour. Then you set it all in place, avoid fallout from the eye makeup, and to keep the area brightened up, I applied a little bit of loose powder and left it just there. And now I'm prepping for the eye makeup. I'm starting by using a orange brown eyeshadow, which is going to be the main color palette for this eye makeup look, and then blending it with a slightly darker brown. I'm also going to make sure that I keep the eyes looking a little soft even if they have some orange color on them. Then going in with a slightly brighter orange, I added it to the inner part of the eyes, blending it to the center of the lid. To really accentuate the eyes, you want to work on the outer corners. So I'm adding a little bit dark brown on the outer corners and then going in with a winged liner, on top of which I'm adding a little bit of blue eyeshadow. You can also use a blue eyeliner if that is something you can find. This is a peacock color eyeliner and it blends really well with the eye makeup. It also gives a little bit of contrast to the orange because blue and orange are very contrasting colors, but when together they look really nice. And then just finishing the face, applying a little bit more powder blush. I also went on top with a little bit of powder contour. As you can see, I did the eyebrows. They look very symmetrical, very even. And now I'm just darkening the outer corners a little bit just so that it gives that completely finished accentuated effect to the eyes. You always want to work on beautifying the effects in a way that enhances your client or model's face. I worked on the lips, really plumped them up and gave them a really nice shape, and then finished with highlighter and some setting spray. Ta-da! The look is done and she looks very girly. She looks very soft, subtle. It does look like she has this really sweet little blue eyeliner on top, which is really adding that funky effect for young girls. And I think this is a very different yet simple look. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this look, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for many more such videos. And do let us know what you think.